Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, south-central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, north-central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 14 miles southeast of Trenton and moving north at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Cream Ridge around 5:35 p.m., Imlaystown around 5:45 p.m., Allentown and 7 miles west of Clarksburg around 5:50 p.m., Roosevelt around 6 p.m., Twin Rivers and Windsor around 6:10 p.m., Edinburgh and Hightstown around 6:15 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for northern Delaware and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex and Monmouth.